Hello, it's Justin from the Commodore Computer Museum. In this video we're going to unlock the hidden Easter egg in the game's Summer Edition by Epyx on the Commodore 64. In this Easter egg, it's a three-part Easter egg by the way, we'll change the summer games to the bummer games. The second part of it, you'll see a scroller of all the Epyx multi-event games, past and present, down the bottom. Read them, some of them are quite witty. And the third part of this Easter egg is a photo slideshow of the missing Epyx programmers. If you know of their whereabouts, please contact Epyx in 1988. The first step is to click on the torch at the bottom left of the screen. Now go to Change the Names. Choose the same name and nationality for all 8 players. Any name is okay as long as they're all the same. I'm using Bob in reference to the Blackadder. After you've entered all the names, press F7. Next, go down to Return to Village and click on it. And again, click on the torch at the bottom of the screen. And now you'll see the option Display Easter Egg. Click on it and enjoy. Follow the Commodore Computer Museum for hidden Easter eggs and so much more.